In a game, a man wins a rupee for a 6 and loses a rupee for any other number when a fair die is rolled. A man decided to throw a die thrice but to quit as and when he gets a 6. So just give a focus on these words, as and when he gets a 6. Find the expected value of the amount he wins or he loses. Now, let the man wins at the xth roll of a die. Now, xth roll means in any of the roll, just I am going to write it. Now, let Si be the event of getting 6 in the ith roll of a die. Now, let Si be the event of getting 6 in the ith roll of a die. Now, we are having Px is equal to 1. Now, here it is written xth roll. Now, Px is equal to 1 means what? That on the very beginning, in the first chance, he got a 6. So, Px is equal to 1 is equal to Ps1 and it is 1 upon 6. Getting a 6, each of the number is having only 1 upon 6 chance. Okay, so it is 1 by 6. Now, probability for x is equal to 2. Now, this means what? This means in the first throw, S0, he is not getting a S, not getting a 6. Okay, S stands for 6. Now, S1 and here it is S. You can say he got a S in the second throw. Okay, so now this becomes probability for S0 times probability for S. This is equal to 5 by 6 times 1 by 6. Now, how 5 by times? S0 is equal to 1 minus S and this is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6, it is 5 by 6. So, we are having, when x equal to 2 we are taking, it means in the first chance he is not getting 6, in the second chance he got the 6 and now he has stopped the playing. He has stopped the playing. So, this is the condition in the question. Okay. So, he is having only two possibilities, one not getting a 6 and then getting a 6. So, that means x is 2. Now, this becomes 5 by 36. Now, x is equal to 3, we are having probability for, now in the first case he is not getting a 6, in the second case he is not getting a 6, but here he is getting a 6. So, he has to stop it and this is the condition that he has to throw a dice in 3 times. So, now this becomes probability for S0 times probability for S0 times probability for a 1 6. Okay. So, now this becomes 5 by 6 times 5 by 6 times 1 by 6, 25 upon 216. These are the events which he has done it. Now, let us move for the winning or losing a rupee. Now, when x is equal to 1, expected receipt is equal to rupee 1. When x is equal to 2, expected receipt is equal to negative of 1 in the first case and positive of 1 in the second case, means 1 he is losing and 1 he is getting. Okay, so this means rupees 0. And in the third case, when x is equal to 3, expected receipt is equal to negative of 1 and positive of 1. Means here he is losing 1, here he is losing 1, here he is getting 1. So this becomes negative of rupee 1, or you can write it rupee negative of 1. Okay, like this. So now what is the required amount he is getting now? Required amount by the probability. Now we are having 1 by 6. First 1 by 6 when he is getting rupee 1, plus 5 by 36 when he didn't get any of the rupee, plus 25 upon 216 when he is losing 1 rupee. And after solving we are getting rupees 11 upon 216. Hence a man will win rupees 11 upon 216. This is the answer.